Hi everybody, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we are going to make a very creative craft using stapler pins. Look, here we are making the wheels of the car. We are making a toy car. Same way make the other wheels, like we are putting all the stapler pins together in a circular way, and then we are going to attach both of them like this. And look, your wheels are ready. After that, we are going to make the body of the car. We are putting all the staplers one over another like this, fixing it with your fingers like we are doing here. Make a shape like this. Then we are going to cover it again from the sides like we are doing here. Look, we are making a cuboid like this. Then we are going to adjust the size if it is small or large by removing the pins. Finally, add all the structures together, and look, your toy car is ready. You can play with it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share.